these
How am I creating
prompts?
this build out? That's a good question. So I think about it in steps and I have them here for us. So the prompt is here. And when you break it down, I'm having it methodically check each repository of information that I have. So it's pulling from my Google Calendar and I'm telling it where it needs to check all of the information. So it needs to read all of my meeting details. It needs to search my Fireflies. It needs to check Slack. And very specifically, I tell it the time frame in which to check everything. So like, for example, in Slack, search for any messages mentioning the attendee names or their company in the last 14 days across all channels. Know anything the team has flagged, discussed, or raised about them. Right, search Notion. So any pages, databases, any GTMs, project pages, or scope documents, that's also very important. And the more information we give Claude here and the more it has access to, the more comprehensive of a brief it's going to build. And then it tells it exactly how to generate the meeting brief. So it's going to give me, here are the sources that you need to read. What is the most important thing I need to know going into this meeting? What are 2 questions I need to ask based on past interactions and any open items? What is one thing to watch for based on what you found? So this also flags client health in that way. And then any open items from previous meetings that have not been addressed. And then summarize your current relationship status in 1 sentence with the client. And then from here, it's going to save everything in your new entry, your meeting database in your Notion.